what's up? It is Brandy Chanell, and if you are new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair to fashion to you to pretty much all things beauty and lifestyle. So if you haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join the notification gang. All right, let's get on with the subject matter at hand. Alright guys, so welcome to my closet. As you can tell by the title of the video, we are going to be doing my wig collection today. I don't have that many wigs because I've kind of shifted away from synthetic wigs. I'm trying to purchase more, maybe one or two more human hair wigs, and then I think my collection will be complete. But in the meantime, I want to show you guys all the units that I have, and we'll just see me change it out. Alright, so today let's start with this one right here. This is my very first human hair lace front wig from AliExpress. I will leave the card above. I like the hair. I like the hair, but I like wearing it more as a quote-unquote headband wig than wearing it as a lace front wig because it just does not fit the front of my hair. So let's hop into the next hair. Alright, now we are back with Annie, my homegirl. Annie, y'all, if you have been rocking with me or watching my videos for a minute, you definitely remember Annie. Annie is one of my very first half wigs. This is a synthetic half wig. Again, I will leave the card above. Let's get on to the next one. Alright, another kinky wig. This is Janika, I believe her name. Again, I'll leave the card of this one above as well. This is a shorter version of Annie, a lot thicker, and also this one is a drawstring, so it can be drawn up into a ponytail. I've worn this to several weddings with a nice sleek back look and do like a little ponytail. It looks absolutely natural. Again, it's synthetic hair. If it was human hair, it would last longer, but this one is not. So here is Janika, okay, giving me, she's your queen to be. All right, let's go on to the next one. Woo! All right, next up is Penny Girl. Oh, Penny is another synthetic half wig. I love the color of Penny. This kind of honey blonde, coppery color complements, in my opinion, my skin tone amazingly. Girl, y'all know the drill. Card above, my original impression of Penny. Today is gonna be Penny's last day with us. I think Penny is gonna need to retire, but I absolutely loved Penny. Penny gave me all the vibes, all the feels. Okay. Let's hop on over to some more synthetics. All right, let's go. Woo! All right, yes. Okay, y'all, this is another synthetic unit. If you guys have seen or stayed to the end of this video, which I hope you do, or have you seen on my main page, this is the unit that I was wearing on my Instagram. It's my thumbnail. I absolutely love red hair. This is giving me auntie vibes. I love it. This one is called, I don't think this one has a name. Oh, Chia! Chia! All right, Chia. Okay, let's hop into the next one. Oh, all right. Next up is Nisha Girl. This is Nisha, and I believe, let's see what color this is. I don't know what color this is for Nisha, but I'll leave the card above of my original Nisha. I think I did the original Nisha in a black color, but I also purchased her in this kind of honey blonde. Again, you could tell I was in a honey blonde phase for a while. I think I'm gonna go back to it because I just like the way it pulls the golden undertones in my skin. Nisha is super cute. Let's get on to the next one. Woo! All right. Woo! This one is definitely a different unit for me. I will leave the card. How about this? I'll leave an card above for all the units that I've reviewed on YouTube so you guys can take a peek at the original. Still have this one. It's Amelia. She is gorgeous. She is in the color rose gold. I think it's pink rose gold. Pink gold. It's pink gold. Okay, let's get into the next one. Woo! Oh, y'all, this one is cray. This is the original Nisha. I cut some bangs in her with the intention of wearing it when I went to Japan, but I don't think I even actually wore it. I think I just wear a bun most of the time, or my hair out. Nisha, about to retire, girl. All right, on to the next one. Woo! All right, this is Lydia. Lydia is gonna get retired today as well, because again, I already have a blonde bombshell in my life, and Lydia is synthetic. Lydia's everything, but today, Lydia, is your last day. All right, let's go to the next one. Woo! This was my very first bob wig, I think blonde bob wig for sure. The name of this one doesn't have a name. It's part of the Cutie collection. It's CTS 109. I think I'm pretty much gonna retire all my synthetics today, so I just want to get this on video so you guys can see all the synthetics I used to have, and from now on I think I'm just gonna stick with human hair just because it just holds up better. Right. Let's get on to the next one. Woo! Okay, this is giving me when I first transitioned, okay, to natural. This was my go-to wig, sis. It's like a straw set. It's actually a half wig. I don't have a headband on right now, but it was a half wig. My hair looked exactly like this when I first went natural because I would always straw set it. Little highlights in her. I honestly know I'm never gonna wear this wig again. It just, I don't know, if it's a very youthful wig, if that makes sense. Like, I look about 12, so you know, it's not really a look I'm into. But I think this unit is super, super cute. All right, let's get on to the next one. Woo! All right, so this is, let's see, I don't think this one has a name either. This is just called small box braid. This is when the box braid units first came out, maybe like 4 years ago or something like that. It's a laced front, but not really a lace front. This is the synthetic that's gonna stay in the collection for now. I really like this unit. It's super cute, and I card above. All right, let's get on to the next one. Woo! Is a premium lace wig unit. I absolutely love this one. I did a review on this earlier this year. Let's see if I can fix the hairline. Hairline's pretty good. It's a what is it? 13 by 4. It's 18 inches. I absolutely love it. It's super soft, thin. I card above. Let's get into the next one. All right, here is a custom unit from a lady here in Charlotte, North Carolina. This is probably one of my favorite units too. I wear this one frequently. I usually wet it and scrunch it up. I never did a video on this one. This is so nice. This hair is probably the best hair that I own. I will leave her information in Brooke Chanel. I will leave her information in her Instagram in the description box, and I'll also leave it on my blog. And if you're not following me on Instagram, sis, what the deal though? Why not though? I love this unit. This looks like my hair if I had it professionally straightened. So let's hop into it. Woo! All right, this is my very first custom unit, by the same hair company. On this unit, it looks kind of crazy right now because it's not, my hair is like packed under here, but this is a beautiful fall wig. I originally did this video, the business was called Impel Beauty, but they have since changed their name, but it's the same wig owner, so I will leave all that information for you guys. Again, I love this unit. I think it's 16 inches if I'm not mistaken. I believe it's 16, and this is like their custom color. All right, let's get on to the next one. All right, here we go, sis. This is another custom unit. This is my last custom unit. I love the curls, y'all. See, just the curls, it just seems like it just fits me, suits my face the best. The curls, you know, I love these curls. I did not do a video on this one either, but again, it's the same company as the last two that I just showed you. They're custom units. It's human hair. The human hair just flows better. You can take care of it better, and it lasts longer. Last but not least, let's check it out. Woo! All right, here we go, sis. Ew. This one is my last hair unit. I do have a few phony ponies that I did not show in this video. Number one, because my hair isn't set right for me to properly show them, but also because I'm just doing wigs in this one, maybe I'll do another video with a couple of phony ponies that I have. But for now, this is my last one. This one holds a special place in my heart because this is the very first wig that I ever dyed, and I wore this to London a couple years ago, maybe 3 years ago, 2 or 3 years ago, when I went with my mom, but it was black then. But I will leave an iCard above of how I custom dyed this unit. I love the color. I think it looks great. Guys, I hope you guys have fun seeing me in all these different hair colors, probably similar hairstyles but different hair colors. I will catch you guys on my next one. Thumbs up the video and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.